Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Aidan Hale, and this is my project on big data applications for SDGs in South Africa. So we're going to be looking at big data. What is big data? Big data refers to a large and complex data set that are too vast for traditional data processing tools. It includes structured, semi-structured, and unstructured information gathered from sources like sensors, transactions, social media, and mobile devices. In South Africa, big data is essential for identifying trends, optimizing services, and supporting evidence-based policy making. Who is using big data in South Africa? So the government, they're using big data to improve service delivery, public health, and national statistics. The private sector is also using big data. The banks, telecoms, and retailers use it for customer insights, fraud detection, and inventory optimization. I know something about that. I'm busy interning with Haynes for the summer, and they use big data in their cyber defense operations unit. So, a little tidbit. Where is big data being used? It's being used in healthcare, so predicting disease outbreaks and optimizing healthcare resources. It's being used in agriculture to monitor crop yields, rainfall, and soil health, especially in Limpopo and the Free State. There's a lot of dry, arid land over there, and they use it to kind of that is the farmland of South Africa, somewhat like the middle of America. Um, it's very similar. They use it in urban planning too, which is used in smart cities and initiatives in Johannesburg, Cape Town for managing traffic, electricity, and water use. Why is South Africa using big data? Here's the SWOT analysis. There's growing tech workforce, expanding 5G and cloud infrastructure, the weakness, poor connectivity in rural areas, opportunities, partnership for public health, fintech growth, and education analytics, then the threats of cybersecurity vulnerabilities. When is big data being adopted? Gained traction post 2015 with mobile internet expansion. COVID-19 really accelerated its use in health tracking crisis response. Big data helped South Africa mitigate and manage South Africa's resources during the period, which a lot of countries struggled to do. I think South Africa did pretty well. We had a lot of government grants that were chosen by big data. So there was also a mass adoption is expected by 2030, especially in agriculture, retail, and education. How big data helps the SDGs in South Africa. So SDG 3, predictive analytics for managing diseases like HIV and TB. Zero hunger, real-time monitoring of food supply chains to reduce waste. Quality education, learning analytics help track performance and resource needs. And then data-driven public transport and energy management, which is SDG 11, the sustainable cities. So we're going to be ending this off with two truths and one lie. Big data is used to detect tuberculosis outbreaks in South African clinics. South Africa used big data to track and reduce school dropout rates. Big data has completely replaced teachers in rural schools with AI tutors. I know you can see it on the screen, but obviously teachers have not been replaced, although AI is getting increasingly more popular in South Africa. It has not replaced all the teachers. So that is my presentation. Thank you very much.